Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. So today we're going to go through where to find some key terminal information on the Viper Pro. This one's going to relate to GPS. Every once in a while we get a phone call and someone's having issues with steering and the tech needs them to go through some things, and so I'm just going to go through a quick way to find that stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to press the gear here, and then you'll see the one that says GPS. We touch that, and we touch the one that looks like a satellite, and then you can see where we come up with lat, long, elevation, the number of satellites that are being tracked, and a bunch of information there that the technician may ask you. The second tab is warnings, if it came up with a warning, and we just saw one flash there for a split second because this is just firing up. And then the last one is your differential. Now this one, of course, there's a message there that says what it's for. We're actually going to find our thing in a different spot, but that's how you get there to access that. The other one that we're looking for, you'll page forward and you'll see networking. We touch that one, and now it's going to bring up some information about the field hub and how things are being connected there. It should be auto. There's things there that the technicians are going to ask you. If there's more in-depth things, they'll walk you through, but this gives you two of the basic ones to at least be able to go in there and have a look. The other one that I just punched, the next tab, that goes into how the connection setup is and that kind of stuff. You can page through and look at that, but gives you an idea at least of where we want to start with some of that stuff when you call in. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.